How we try to teach not only the dance moves, but also the meaning of the words, the songs, and the spirit that you have to dance with as a Samoan. And so we have one award for the girls and one award for the boys. So our first award goes to Napua. Can you come to the front, please, to present the award? Napua.
Thank you everyone for coming. I'd like to thank Lefetua Samoan Language Center for honoring my mom with this award, and this will be the first one and awarded at the end of every semester. Just a little something about the award. The award, it's a